Welcome to the second video on Ollama with Gemma. So if you look at the models, few hours back, Ollama has incorporated Gemma 4 model. Okay, so this is an open source model with Apache license from Google. And this is multimodal. It is well suited for reasoning, agentic workflows, coding, and multimodal understanding. So we can't ask for anything more at this stage. So this is incredible. This is not future. This is happening today, and it is running on your machine. So in this demo, what I'm going to do is I have already pulled Gemma for E4B, which is the latest. This is the command that I've executed. Ollama pull Gemma 4 colon E4B. Now in command line, we can run like this. Ollama run. Let me ask, why is the sky blue? Tell me in one sentence. And here, when we access this using API, we can also turn the reasoning off. It is thinking. Sky appears blue because the Earth's atmosphere scatters shorter blue wavelengths of sunlight more efficiently than longer wavelengths, making blue light across the vision. See, beautifully it is generated, and when it runs locally, speed is not important because we are going to run this in an agentic fashion as a background job. Are you getting? This is incredible. So grab this opportunity. Let me say bye to this and show you the, okay, I have a simple agentic framework where I'm using Agno agent, which talks to the Ollama using Agno's Ollama library. And I'm using Gemma 4 colon E4B. See this? And I'm giving it a cat's image. Okay, so let me run this. We are telling it to write a 3-sentence fiction story about the image. Now this run.sh is my simple Python environment which installs the dependencies and executes this Python script. And this is the script. So this is the simple agentic Python application that you can run locally, and this can generate images. This can this is multimodal. It can understand audio, can produce audio, etc. So sky is the limit, and it is absolutely free. But on my Mac, I was recording and running this model. So it's a 16 GB Mac M1. I'm not much worried about speed because this can work even while we sleep. See you in another video tomorrow. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye. Future belongs to those who learn fast. Mentor Expert gives you personalized, expert-driven support in AI, automation, and modern tech. Upgrade your skills instantly.